If you're new on Go High Level and do not know where to start, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to give you an exclusive opportunity to avail the 30-day free trial, a free live bootcamp to launch your Go High Level account and business together. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pritam. I run a Go High Level funnel and website design agency. I'm also a certified admin, probably one of the first admins in the cross world in high level and the first admin to be ever certified within India. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exclusive opportunity that you are going to get when you sign up through the link that I've given below in the description as well as in the comments. This gives you opportunity to sign up for a 30-day free trial plus an exclusive boot camp where experts from the high level team show you how to launch your own business every day together. All right. As you can see, I'm going to quickly give you a walkthrough of everything that's covered in this, along with everything that you're going to get with signing up for this 30-day trial. You're also going to get my exclusive bonus for 100% free, right? No charges, no mention, nothing. Just get it, and you're going to get all the bonuses that I'm going to give for exclusively for all my affiliate signups. As you can see, this is a live bootcamp. This is a great initiative by High Level. I really appreciate the team and the affiliate team that they are doing in order to empower our new users because they are probably not sure how to get started, whom to help, and all of that. But guess what? High Level team has given this opportunity. I hope and I wish that this should have been given when I joined High Level 5 years back. But hey, as Go High Level improves their thought process, their mentality, and their approach to help customers is probably one of the best in the market. All right, this is going to be a live boot camp with personal walkthrough, which basically means that you are going to be held over a Zoom call showing you how to set up your Go High Level account on a 30-day free trial. You don't have to pay a single penny to get started with this Go High Level account. How about that? As you can see, along with this, what you're going to get is what if you could launch High Level in your for your business in just 48 minutes without any product experience or even technical skills, because High Level is going to help you on that. All right, it's a live boot with high level coaches, so they are going to be present every single weekday with you on a Zoom call and help you to set and launch and make money with your high level account, because this is the best online software platform available on the internet. The second thing is they're going to have breakout rooms to implement it together. First, they're going to show you everything on a Zoom call, then the breakout rooms in order for you to implement them, and then ask the coaches so that you have any questions, they clear it out personally one on one. Leave the good bootcamp with a live. See, it's been 5 years I'm in business, and I've probably seen 1,000 people who are using high level of interacted with me. Among them, 100 of them have been my personal paying clients, right? Most of the issues that people face is that they do not know how to get started, how to implement technical skills in their Go High Level business, and how to run it. They know the business well, but they just don't know how to implement the Go High Level software. And this is what gives you, without paying a single penny for your Go High Level free trial account, you get it for 30 days along with expert coaches helping you every single weekday so that you can make money and run your business on high level only for a limited $97 per month, that too after 30 days. All right, as you can see, you can just fill up your company name, full name, email address, phone number, click on go to step 2 and then put your payment details to get started. All right, it's 100% free to join. You won't be charged with your credit card instantly because you're going to get a 30-day free trial, right? Go High Level has empowered over 70,000 users worldwide who are directly using Go High Level. They have over $500 million in generated revenue by the high level users for their business. It's been in 84 countries. With just my agency business at PritamBhadra.com, right? I have worked with over 12 plus countries, right? And Go High Level is currently at 84 countries. So I have a hell lot way to go. I'm probably going to reach more countries every single year. But yeah, this is amazing to see, right? So sign up for the next high level bootcamp happening every weekday at 11 a.m. CT and experience it yourself, because they are going to help you one on one, which is amazing, right? This is a live Zoom interactive class. It's click by click tutorial, which basically means that how exactly you see in my videos where I show you every click after click, exactly how these people are going to show you so that you can learn directly from them as well. All right, it's a click by click tutorial where you will learn the skill and strategies you need to walk away with a finished high level launch. It's not that, hey, do it yourself or these are tutorial videos. No, they're going to show it to you how to do it step by step so that you can have entire fully set up high level account and then launch it for your business. How about that? As you can see, it currently shows the next bootcamp is Friday 11 a.m. CT, which basically means that this gets updated every weekday. Just make sure that you don't come up over a weekend because it's not available over a weekend. Just remove it, and every weekday you will have the high level coaches online on a call showcasing you how to set up your account click by click. You can ask questions in the breakout room so that any doubts you have, you can get cleared directly from them. Important, this is not just a webinar where you have 1,000 people and a one coach who's teaching, not really looking at everything or everyone, and then you feel left out in the corner. That's not how it works. This is a personalized step by step, click by click approach every weekday, right? It's a click by click live bootcamp where we get stuff done together, right? They ask you questions, they think about what the problems you are facing, you share them about the problems you are facing, and then you implement it together. A live interactive class that walks you through the process of launching a business in high level in less than 1 hour because it mentions 48 minutes, which is crazy good. I wish I had all of this when I started with high level. It was such a mess. It was so difficult, and it was, it took me days, weeks, and months in order to implement it. But hey, guess what? High level to team is going to do it for you. And even these basic setups that you see here used to charge a lot of money. I used to pay like $297, I think, or $197 just for the initial setup with the high level team. But now it's free. It's 100% free plus a 30-day free trial, which is crazy. All right. Here's everything that you're going to get. They're going to cover a quick win setup, which is text marketing. They're going to cover quick win setup too, which is mixed call text back. They're going to, give you an entire setup of the mobile app, social media interactions. They're going to quickly show you the Google Business Chat. They're going to show you the reputation and review management, live Zoom format with the high level team, 60-minute maximum, and breakout room experience with smaller groups in order for you to ask direct questions to the coaches. Plus, you're going to get these amazing bonuses, which is lead generation playbook giveaway, 5 days challenge access giveaway. I'm going to give you this challenge as well, which is amazing, isn't it? Saspreneur playbook giveaway, high level launch snapshot giveaway, high level funnel giveaway, right? All of that are given with the bonuses, and I'm going to give you everything that I mentioned on my Go High Level affiliate bonus portal, right? Everything that you see here is going to be given to you the moment you sign up. You send me an email and you get all of this for 100% free. All right. So here are these bonuses, right? So if this is 100% free when you join today, right? And this is exactly what you get. A free bonus number one, you get a 5-day review challenge course, 100% free given to you. Free bonus is the SaaSpreneur playbook. Again, 100% free given to you so that you can upgrade your account to SaaS, make it white label and make money. 100% revenue you get to keep yourself, and you only pay a minimum monthly fee to your high level, title to high level. High level snapshot and funnels, you get all of this that high level provides along with everything that I'm going to give you the moment you sign up and send me an email that, hey Pritam, I just signed up with your link for the bootcamp. Can you send me the snapshot bonus? All right. Again, bootcamps are happening every weekday at 11 a.m. CT, and it's 100% free to join. All right. And again, as I said, it's a 30-day free trial, so you don't have to worry about you not being able to implement your account and before that you get charged. That does not happen. It's an experience that you will thank yourself because your business will become online that you will thank me later on. Okay. When everything works, just reach out to me and give me a thank you note. Okay. All right. Get started with these 3 simple steps, right? There's no catch or funny business here. There's no exclusive upsell kind of thing. You simply join in for a 30-day free trial. You get to the boot camp. They show it to you how you can implement in your account. That's it. Okay. We understand that the best way to help you use high level is actually jump into a free bootcamp with you and set things up together so you don't get stuck. Again, as I said, I used to pay a setup fee when I joined high level 3, 4 years back. I mean, 5 years back. But along with these 3, 4 years, also they had a setup fee. But this is 100% free, right? You sign up on this page. It's a 30-day free trial you get. You attend the free bootcamp every weekday, and then you scale your business with high level for 30 days straight without paying a single penny to high. All right. As you can see, it's a 4.95 star from 2,000 plus reviews. So more than 2,000, I think it's more than 5,000 now. More than 5,000 people have joined, and that's crazy. Right? As you can see, these are what people have said, and this is amazing. Let me quickly give you a quick walkthrough of the FAQs. So who is this bootcamp designed to help? This is a 1 hour live Zoom intensive and is for anyone who aspires to start their own business but struggles to question like, where do I start? Where's the quickest way to set up high level without the pain? Note, this is what happens when people reach out to me. I get this on a daily basis, right? And that's the reason why I am promoting these kind of initiatives by high level, because let me tell you one thing, they're doing a pretty amazing job, and I'll always recommend that you sign up with the affiliate link so that you also get my exclusive bonuses, which is crazy, isn't it? What if I can't make it the whole 1 hour? Bootcamp is a click by click tutorial. So if you miss anything, you won't get the intended outcome. That's why we strongly recommend that you block your calendar, be present. And again, it's every weekday. So make sure that you join every weekday, 1 hour, 11 a.m. That's it. So 11 a.m. to 12 in the afternoon, you get everything to show up because they're going to show up step by step. So you have to be present. When is the bootcamp? Again, it's 11 a.m. Again, it happens Monday to Friday, every weekday. What can I expect, right? So the bootcamp is going to be a click by click tutorial. It's going to show you everything. So they're going to implement it first and then they're going to show it to you. So make sure you join. You're going to be also shown how to build automation, workflows, funnels, and strategies that are time tested and proven. The live event will not be recorded, it's a live. So we strongly recommend that you block your spots, your calendar, and then join them live. What if I can't make the whole 1 hour? Bootcamp again is a click by tutorial, so I highly recommend that you join it. Again, unfortunately, there will be no recording because it's a click by click tutorial, right? What if I no ideas to sell? What if I have no ideas what to sell? Again, it's free. Do not worry. They're going to help you, and you're going to ask questions to them, and they're going to help you on that. Depending on which business you have, everything gets covered in this high level bootcamp. Again, it's every weekday. It's free for 30 days. How much does this cost? It's free. It does not cost anything. For the rest of the 30 days, you get two. I get a free assistance from directly from the high level team every weekday, Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. CT. Where is this even located? Again, it's a virtual boot camp. So the moment you sign up, you will be given the link to join. Make sure you check your email, your spam box, and your promotions. This is going to be there. Again, they do not recommend joining via smartphones. So don't join via smartphones, but join via your laptop or desktop. I think that's going to be the most comfortable one, is what I mentioned. When to computer, yes, you need a laptop or a desktop, just that, and that should be good. And all of this free. When you sign up for a 30-day free trial of high level, you will not be charged subscription cost. It only charges the communication call, which is the email and SMS if you send. So, but again, anything that high level has for their account is 100% free. So make sure that you go through this and sign up as soon as you can, because this is limited time. And I'm going to give you the link in the description box. I wish I had all, but I didn't. I learned it the hard way, but you have the opportunity to do it now. Go and get it done. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. See you soon. Have a great day.